Make sure the camera drivers are updated. The first thing you need to do in this case is to make sure that the camera is using the latest drivers. Click on Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button, then on Settings. Click Update and Security. This allows you to access the security and backup settings of your computer. Click Windows Update. This can be found on the left pane. Click the Check for Updates button. This can be found at the right pane. If an update is found, it will be automatically downloaded and installed. Once this process has finished, try checking if the issue still occurs. Clear the cache and cookies of the browser. There are instances when corrupted temporary data stored in the browser can cause this problem. To fix this, you will need to remove this data. Here's what you need to do if you are using the Chrome browser. Open Chrome, then click on More. Click More Tools. Click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data. Click Clear Data. Try using another browser. Sometimes the problem can be caused due to a policy change on the browser that you are using. To check if this is the case, you should try checking if the issue occurs when using a different browser. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell.